Hello friends, welcome back to your own YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a 10 minutes of yoga routine. We will start our practice by sitting in child's pose. Relax your abdomen, your chest over your legs, your thighs, and stretch the hands a little farther from the body towards your head. Let's take deeper breaths here. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale. And as you exhale, transition to coming up and bring your wrists just below your shoulders, your knees below your hip. Spine is straight. As you inhale, head up and lift your right leg up, bending the right knee and pointing the right toe towards the sky. Couple of pulses there, and then we'll move on to the left leg. The same practice. As you inhale, lift the left leg up, point the toe towards the sky, and maybe a couple of pulses there. And slowly bring the legs down. Equally distribute the body weight and take your right hand up. Make a big circle with your right hand, right palm, bring it back, and then make a big circle with your left palm and bring it back down on its position. Let's do it a couple of rounds. And on the next inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, press your abdomen towards your thighs. Maybe micro bend on your knees. Downward facing dog. It's your practice, so move your hips side to side wherever you feel it's comfortable. Just warming up your down dog. Inhale in down dog and exhale, come to plank pose. Inhale in plank and exhale, downward dog. One more round. Inhale, come back to plank pose. Make that spine a little curvy at the back, and exhale, go back to pressing your palms down, bringing your abdomen close towards your thigh. On the next exhalation, bring your knees down, hips over your heels, and sit in Vajrasana, preparing your body for a back bend. So you're coming to a half sitting position. Take your right hand, take it across and round. Place the right hand back towards the right heel and bring it back and front. The same thing over the left hand. You take your left hand up towards the sky and take it back. Grab hold of your heels with both of your wrists respectively. Option to tuck your toes so that your legs are a little lifted and it's a little easier for you to reach to your heels. Once you practice it, next exhalation, come back to tabletop. Curve your spine in cat pose, just giving a counter stretch to your spine. Relax your hips down and come back forward to tabletop once again. And again, raising the right leg up, toe pointing towards the sky, knees bent. But this time we are going to raise our left hand and swing it back so that we grab hold of our right ankle and lift that right ankle up towards the sky as much as possible. Next exhalation, bring your hands and leg back to its position, and we are going to do the same stretch on the other side. Inhale, left leg lifts up. Exhale, right hand lifts up and grab hold of your left ankle. Inhale, keep stretching it up, and exhale, release it down. Tuck your toes at the back, lift both the knees off the floor, hold the pose. One more breath and exhale, straighten the legs, hips up towards the sky, downward dog again. One breath here. As you exhale, lift your right knee up and bring it close towards your chest. Raise it up high towards the sky and bring the knee close to the chest. Dropping the right foot in between your palms to lift the body up. Both the hands comes up straight to a crescent lunge or a warrior one. As you exhale, interlace your fingers down and back and stretch the front side of your body. A gentle back bend. Bring the hands back up. Inhale and exhale. Drop your hands down. Take the leg back, downward facing dog. Let's try the same thing on the other side. Left knee comes closer to your chin and inhale. Raise your left leg up towards the sky. Straighten the left leg completely, pointing the toe. And bringing your leg close so that you can drop your foot in between your palms. Exhale and inhale. Raise your arms up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Interlace the fingers at the back. And inhale, stretch the heart up towards the ceiling or towards your sky. Exhale, bring your hands down next to the leg. Take the leg back and press yourself completely on downward dog. One more breath here. And on the next exhalation, transition to plank and drop both the knees down. This time we are going to try the camel pose from the other side. So we are going to use our right hand first. Inhale, stretching the right hand, dropping it towards the heel, then again lifting it back, coming back to half sitting. Once again you inhale, raise and circle your arms so that your palm is touching to your heel. Do the same thing with the other side. Grab hold of the heel, maybe tuck your toes, whatever suits you today. One last inhale, stretching the chest muscles fully, and as you exhale, slowly and gently coming back. Just to neutralize your spine. On the next breath, as you inhale, transition to plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, taking the right leg back up in the air, pointing the toe towards the sky. And exhale, bringing the right leg forward, placing the shin bone parallel to the front of your mat. Maybe bringing the heel closer to your left hip, left groin, front side. Placing your palms on the chest and just breathing in and out. If you feel comfortable, maybe going for a forward fold there. And a deep stretch to your glutes, to your inner thighs. Find the comfort. Relax in and out of the breath. Next inhalation, you lift your body up. Press the floor, lift the right leg back up to the plank pose. And exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Left leg this time, inhale, lifting it up towards the sky, pointing it up. And as you exhale, bring the left leg forward, placing the shin bone parallel to the front of the mat. Bringing your hands back to your chest, make sure the hips are square as much as possible. Pressing both the hips down towards the floor, hands towards your chest. Couple of deeper breaths here, and when you feel comfortable, and if you want to go a little deeper, feel free to go for a forward fold here. Relax yourself completely. Relax your thighs, your glutes, your back, consider this as a quick shavasana that you do on both the sides. And on the next breath, come back up, sit in a comfortable seated position, Sukhasana, Vajrasana, whatever suits you. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I am grateful to be helping you, guiding you, or practicing with you today. I hope you like the video. Namaste. I'll see you on my next practice. Thank you.